Do you want to create high-impact, multi-dimensional hair that looks incredibly complex but is actually really low effort? Yeah, me too. Let's get into it. Hi, I'm Shurie, at Shurie on socials. I'm a stylist in Los Angeles, and I'm honored to say I'm the very first educator for Pulp Riot, and this is 10 years of disruption. To create 10 years of disruption, I'm taking it back to where it all began. I'm sharing a throwback technique from the very first education we offered, the 8-ball. Whether you're a Riot OG or brand new to the family, stick around. This technique is a total game changer for creating dimension on any head. My girl Azzy came in today with a few months of level 6 regrowth. Before we drop our semis, we need to prep the canvas. I'm using BlondeAF with 30 volume, starting my application off the scalp, taking care not to overlap. My mixing ratio is 1:2. Once I see about 2 to 3 levels of lift, I'm going back in to hit the scalp with my exact same formula. We're processing without heat until the roots catch up to the mids, then we rinse, shampoo, and blow dry. Pro tip, skip the conditioner. We want the hair cuticle open and ready so nothing blocks our semi-permanent coverage. Azzy lifted beautifully, so let's map out the 8-ball. It's called that because we're creating 8 pinwheel sections around the head. Start by parting nose to nape, ear to ear. From there, split each of those 4 sections down the middle. Boom. 8 sections. Usually I'd use 3 formulas for this, but since Azzy has some beautifully faded pink left over, we're using that to our advantage with 2 alternating formulas. Formula 1, equal parts blush and lilac. Formula 2, 2 parts Cupid, 1 part first base, and 1 part candy. I started with the ear to keep my work clean. I'm using a shimmy motion with my brush along the partings to ensure saturation without overlapping. The more contrast your colors have, the more important these clean lines are. Alternate your formulas through all 8 sections and process for 30 minutes. When the time is up, rinse with high pressure cold water. You can skip the shampoo and conditioner. Pulp Riot Semis are conditioner based, so they act as a treatment while they deposit. Trust me, you're leaving the hair healthier than you found it and with incredible smell. And that's the look. The contrast between the soft feminine lilac and the punchy bold pink is everything. I want to let you all in on a fun fact. That was actually the very first technique that I ever taught for Pulp Riot, and it's still one of my favorites for its versatility. Thanks for taking the trip down memory lane with me to celebrate a decade of Pulp Riot. We would like to see what you create. Stay tuned for 10 more years of disruption, and make sure to see what my friends have created. If you want more tips on how to disrupt the status quo, make sure to like and subscribe. Make sure to tag us in your creation. I want to see your work. I'm Shurie. Catch you at the next time.